polo, which is originated from Manipur.
Originated from Manipur.
And the British
It is
understood it, developed.
Popularized and Rajasthan, the state of Rajasthan is also contesting that it originates from there, but definitely it originated from
Ani yung kangre ne sonda bisok tada sonda ma bisok anau da su sonda su se sonda anau da ma adagi se api se bisok
for the many, particularly for the Archdiocese of Imphal and all over the world. And secondly, 4 of us are in the school, the education and the other apostolates. Then 3 of us are in the high school, 1 is in the higher secondary. Like that, 7 of us are here, and we have a girls' hostel that is for the higher secondary.
And we thank His Grace for making this procedure very speedily to take up the cross and to build the church. And they are the people who are praying and for all our intentions. We are very happy. We are happy to His Grace and to Rome, and now our Archbishop, now emeritus. So, and he is the principal of another school.
He is our principal.
So now they cannot stay here. His father is also there in the school.
Yeah, in the school. Presbytery is there also. Yeah. How many students you have? We have got nearly 4,000 plus students.
But after this ethnic crisis, many ran away to safer places.
So 400 now, or 4,000
At the moment.
And in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
Hail Mary,
Full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and at the hour of our death. Amen.